Welcome to the world of mathematics. Dive into the wonders of maths with Mind Over Maths channel. Let's get started.
Obtain the Fourier series for the function f of x is given by f of x is equal to 1 plus 2x by L minus L less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0, 1 minus 2x by L 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to L. Hence deduce that 1 by 1 square, 1 by 3 square, etc. is equal to pi square by 8. So, this is in the interval minus L to L. For starting the solution, we have to first check whether it is odd or even. Check the function f of x is odd or even. Take the given problem as equation number 1. So for checking, what we should do now, put x is equal to minus x in equation 1. Put x is equal to minus x in equation 1. So what do you get? Put x equal to minus x. So in this you have to substitute minus x. Okay. So what are you getting? So f of x is equal to 1 plus 2x by L, 1 minus 2x by L is given, is it? So you have to substitute x equal to minus x. So 1 plus 2 into minus x divided by L. So what are you getting once again? 1 minus 2x by L, which is already in the function. So this is equal to f of x. So what is the interval given in the problem? So this is valid only in the interval when you are getting the f of x function 0 to L, it is valid. So in 0 comma L. So we are getting f of minus x equal to f of x. So the function is an even function. Function is an even function. So here also we are going to prove the two conditions. First one is expansion, second one is deduction. Okay. So we will do the first one, expansion. So let me. F of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity a n cos n pi x by n, because it is in minus a to plus a. So it is an even function, so you know that bn is 0. Your a naught is 2 by L 0 to L f of x dx formulae, and your an is 2 by L 0 to L f of x cos n pi x by L dx. So first let us calculate a naught. So which is 2 by L 0 to L 1 minus 2x by L dx, because just now we have checked which function you are getting. So which is 2 by L. Apply integration term by term. So x minus 2 by L, x square by 2, because the integration of x is x square by 2, 0 to L. So apply the limit, so 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So 2 by L, L minus L square by L. Your lower limit is 0. So this L and this will get cancelled. So you get 2 by L, L minus L, which the answer is 0. So your A naught is 0. So our A naught answer is 0. Next we will calculate AN. We will calculate AN now. Sorry, no. AN is 2 by L, 0 to L, f of x cos n pi x by L dx, which is 2 by L, 0 to L, 1 minus 2x by L cos n pi x by L dx. So we will expand by Bernoulli. Okay, this we are going to expand by Bernoulli. UD. So what is U term? 1 minus 2x by L. What is dV term? Cos n pi x by L dx. What is U dash? Minus 2 by L. What is U double dash? C. What is V? Sin n pi x by L divided by n pi by L. What is V1? Minus cos n pi x by L divided by n square pi square by L square. Now you apply Bernoulli for UV, U dash V1, the last value is 0. Last value is 0, which is, so AN is 2 by L. I am going to expand Bernoulli. UV, is it? U into V, 1 minus 2x by L sin n pi x by L divided by n pi by L minus U dash V1 minus cos n pi x by L divided by n square pi square by L square, where the limits start from 0 to L. Now apply upper limit and lower limit. Wherever you are having x, you apply L, and wherever you are having x, you apply 0. So what do you get? So I will drop this part. So that I can apply here and show to you, which is 2 by L. So wherever x you apply L. So 2L by L sin n pi L by L divided by n pi by L minus 2 by L cos n pi L by L divided by n square pi square by L square. This is my upper limit. Minus lower limit is 0. Yeah, plus now minus 2 by L cos Z. So if you cancel the term and look at, anyway this sine function is 0. Your sine n pi is 0, so this will become 0. Here also you can cancel L here, so cos n pi value will be there and cos 0 also there. Cos 0 divided by, I missed the term, n square pi square by n square. Because as I told you, you have to substitute the value for x only. See. Yeah, so write down. Therefore, an is equal to, therefore an is equal to 2 by L, 2 by L so which are the terms here? Minus 2 by L cos n pi. This term will be there and this term will be there. Okay. So I am going to write the two terms. So minus 2 by L cos n pi divided by n square pi square by n square minus. So you get plus, not minus, you get plus 2 into cos 0 divided by n square pi square by n square. Okay. So take 2 outside. So 4 by n. Okay. N square pi square by n square is a common term. You can take it outside. Or else you can substitute the term minus 1 to the power n by n square pi square by n square plus 1 by n square pi square by n square. So take the term as a common. So you get 4 by L into, this term will come outside as L square by n square pi square. We will write in order 1 minus 1 to the power n. So 1 L will get cancelled. So you get it as an is 4L by n square pi square. 1 minus 1 to the power. Now we have to check the function which is odd or even. So I told you we have to check only the numerator term. So when you check the numerator term, 1 minus 1 to the power n. If n is odd, if you substitute if n equal to 1. So what is the value here? 1 minus 1 to the power 1, which is 2. Okay. When you substitute n equal to 1 in the numerator, you will get the value to be 2. So, you are getting some answer here. So, 8L by n square pi square. So, this the term is for odd number. So, n is odd. So, what will happen if you check for even number? If you check even number, what is your answer? If you substitute for n equal to 2, so what are you getting? 1 minus of minus 1 square, which is z. So we get z. So only when you are getting the numerator of this format, you have to check odd and even. If you are getting the value single means, you should not substitute for odd and even, let it be like that and substitute. Right now, therefore, f of x is equal to, so your a naught answer is 0. So you should write here odd to infinity because we are getting for odd number of term. So 8 by n square pi square. Is it 8? What is the value for this? 8l by n square pi square cos n pi x by n. So take the term outside. So 8l summation by n pi square n equal to odd to infinity cos n pi x by n into 1 by n square. Check the term here. Any term did I miss? Oh, here one L is already here, is it? So I missed the term. What if I check it? I missed the term here. So L square will come outside. The whole L square will get cancelled. So you get only 4. Check it. 2 by L is here. You can look it, all of you. The 2 by L is here. Okay, I missed that. Okay. So 2 by L is here. So 2 by L is here. 2 by L is here. When I wrote here, I didn't write 2 by L. All of you can look at 2 by L is here. So it will come outside as L square. So this will be 8 by n square pi square. 8 by n square pi square. Similarly, when it comes to the term here, we should write it as 8 by n square pi square. Okay. So this is our expansion. So we got our first deduction part. Sorry, we got our expansion. Second one, we have to try the deduction part. What is the deduction part? 1 by 1 square, 1 by 3 square, etc. is equal to pi square by 8. So, you can continue with the odd number and you can finish it. But there is a format. When the odd is changed to summation 1 to infinity, we have to replace what? When summation n is odd changed to summation n equal to 1 to infinity, what you have to replace? N by what? 2n minus 1. You have to replace n by 2n minus 1. So, how can you rewrite the equation number 1? Can you rewrite equation number 1? So, f of x is equal to 8 by pi square summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by, because you have to replace n by 2n minus 1. 2n minus 1 the whole square cos n pi x by n. So all of you know that this problem is in the interval 0, n. 0, n. So I told you for deduction part you can check the continuity directly. Okay. So take this as equation number 2. This is equation number 2. So write down. Put x equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0 in equation 2, which is a point of continuity. we know that continuity means what? We are substituting the points directly. So what will happen? F of 0 equal to, what is the previous term? 8 by pi square. 8 by pi square. Summation n equal to 1 to infinity. 1 by 2n minus 1 the whole square cos 0. As per the question, when you find out it is odd or even, you are getting this value only, is it? In the interval 0, n, as per the problem. But here you are going to put x equal to 0. So when you put x equal to 0, what is your answer? 1 minus 2 into 0 by n, the answer is 1. So your LHS answer is 1, which is 8 by pi square, summation n equal to 1 to infinity, 1 by 2n minus whole square into cos 0 is 1. Bring that 8 by pi square to the other side, which is pi square by 8 is equal to summation n equal to 1 to infinity, 1 by 2n minus 1 the whole square. Now you put the value for n equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. So what do you get? 1 by 1 square, 1 by 3 square, 1 by 5 square, etc. is equal to pi square by 8, which is our second part of the problem. Hence it is complete.
Thanks for watching Mind Over Maths channel. Like, comment, and subscribe.